No Atom, Grade 5, Unit 2, Earth's Materials, Section 3, Earth's Rocks, pages 24 to 27. Earth's Rocks. Diamonds in the rock. Diamonds are one of the world's major natural resources. Around $13 billion worth of diamonds are produced every year. Because of this, there are people around the world who search for diamonds. People who search for diamonds often look for specific kinds of rocks that hold diamonds within them. This is because minerals that are pressed together form rocks. All rocks are made up of mixtures of minerals. When minerals are pressed together by the heat and pressure of Earth's interior, they can combine to form different kinds of rock. Rocks make up Earth's surface and other terrestrial objects. Scientists classify rocks based on how they are formed. There are 3 categories of rock: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Each category of rock has different properties that scientists can use to identify it. Igneous rock. Many diamonds are found in a kind of rock called kimberlite. Kimberlite rocks are generally only found in very old parts of Earth's crust. Kimberlite is a kind of igneous rock. Igneous rocks are often found around volcanoes because they form when hot semi-solid or liquid rock, either magma or lava, from Earth's mantle cools into solid form. The magma either cools slowly below Earth's surface or is released as lava in volcanoes. When magma spews from a volcano, it cools quickly when it is exposed to cooler temperature of Earth's oceans or atmosphere. The cooled lava hardens into igneous rock. Rocks formed this way are fine-grained or glassy. Caption: igneous rocks form when lava cools and hardens. However, not all magma erupts out of a volcano. Some magma is pushed slowly towards the Earth's surface for many years. This magma will cool more slowly than magma erupting from a volcano. Igneous rocks formed this way are coarser. Categories of rock. Sedimentary rock forms from layers of sand, soil, clay, gravel, and other sediment that build up in one location over time. Sediment is a collection of particles and pieces of living and non-living things. It collects in layers over time. Over thousands of years, the pressure of more and more top layers of sediment compresses the bottom layers of sediment into solid rock. The oldest sediment forms the bottommost layers of the rock. Newer layers replace older layers at the top. Metamorphic rock is a category of rock formed in chemical reactions where one type of rock is changed by pressure or heat into a new type of rock with different properties. The movement of the tectonic plates can cause rocks to get pushed down deep into the crust. There, the heat and pressure of all the weight on top of it cause chemical reactions in the rock to change it into a new rock with different properties. In a chemical reaction, the molecules of a substance are rearranged into a new substance with new properties. The word metamorphose means to change or to transform. It can take millions of years for a metamorphic rock to form. The rock cycle. Rocks do not remain the same forever. The matter that makes them up is cycled and transformed into different categories over time. For example, rocks on Earth's surface break down into sediment. That sediment could collect in layers. Over time, heat and pressure can compress the layers of sediment into new sedimentary rock. Or the sediment can get pushed deep into Earth's crust by the movement of tectonic plates. There, it can undergo chemical reactions that change its properties, turning it into metamorphic rock. Eventually, any rock pushed deep into Earth's interior will melt into magma. If magma reaches the surface, it will cool and harden into rock again. The processes that form, break down, and reform rock from one category to another are called the rock cycle.